Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dan. This is my channel, Dan's Carving. This episode we're going to do something extremely different. Not only am I known for chainsaw carving, I also carve a lot of antlers and stuff. So this episode we're going to end up carving these pallets, and I'm also going to carve the skull. With what? I'm not quite sure yet, but we'll figure that out. This job should technically take, fine-tune probably about 300 hours. We're going to try and compress it into roughly 80. Keep in mind right off the bat, if ever you go to attempt doing this, I wouldn't recommend wearing a dust mask. I would highly recommend wearing a chemical mask. This stuff is highly toxic. It'll literally give you an pneumonia in your lungs overnight kind of thing. It's all you're going to smell. It's all you're going to taste. You're going to be in the hospital, and you're not going to be able to breathe. So if ever you do set up, I'd wear one of those masks, preferably do it outside with a fan blowing the dust away from you. Extremely fine dust, it'll get in your electronics, everything else, so be aware of that. For this one, unfortunately, as you can see, it snowed again. It was springtime. Obviously now we're right back in the middle of winter again. So we're going to be setting up inside, but I have my own ways to take care of this issue, and I can hold my breath a long time. Even though I'm wearing a mask, I'm still holding my breath. So you're going to end up seeing me in a time lapse. I step away from the camera a lot. It's because I have to step away. I'll have a window open so I can flip my mask and breathe. So always be cautious. On that note, we are going to run everything in time lapse. This is an extremely long job, so we're going to skip a lot of things. The drawing itself, typically you may have noticed in a lot of my chainsaw carvings, I don't draw anything. I feel it out. That way, to me, everything comes a little bit more natural. On these things, I do tend to draw, not really draw. I'll sketch guidelines, and I'll carve out the guidelines, and then from there it's pretty much freehand. Step back, evaluate it, do what's needed to make it look proper. I'm going to end up carving moose into both of these, so you really want them to look like a moose, not a cartoon, right? So yeah, just take your time, and if you do this, be cautious. So yeah, I'm going to go set up for this thing inside, and then we're going to get at it. So I will be back to carving right after the intro. Enjoy. Also, I will be in the description of the video, I'm going to leave email address, all that kind of stuff. So if anybody is interested in having me do anything like this for them, you'll be able to get a hold of me. So either through email or my personal Facebook account or my Facebook channel. So yeah, here we go. I'll be right back after the intro.